I'm sure you've heard the news. The G36 is more than just a gun, it's a legend. The G36, Germany's super sleek rifle. But did you know it has a built-in bipod? Yep, it's like the Swiss Army knife of guns. This beauty's been around since 1997. A 90s kid, just like Pokemon. And it's still kicking butt today. It's modular. Swap out parts faster than you can say tactical. Want a shorter barrel? No problem. Need a grenade launcher? Easy peasy. Oh, and it's lightweight. Like, really light. You can carry it all day without feeling like you're bench pressing a truck. And here's a fun one. It's so reliable, it's been used in over 30 countries. Talk about a world traveler. So next time you see a G36, remember it's more than just firepower. It's an engineering marvel wrapped in German precision. Now go impress your friends with your new G36 knowledge. Catch you in the next one.